everyone. My name is Gauri Tiwari and I am here to debate on the topic sports in school or not. And I will speak in favor of sports in school are good. So my first point is the sports is good because of they can improve our fitness and concentration, focus and etc. things which is good for our physical and mental health.
But according to me, the school is only known as for the studying, not for playing the sports. And when it comes to playing the sports, we can play outside after studying. So the studying is most important in the school, and the study stable things are shown in the school as well.
To my mind, the sports is the most important for the every student, and the sports also should be allowed in the school, because the sports suppose the children study so much and they can be bored because of studying so much, and they can make their mind fresh, and they should play the sports, and they live very fit, and they can make their mind fresh, and they can study with concentrate by playing the games.
When the sport is played by the teacher in the school, then the students are not able to focus on the study well because of the distraction which is caused by the sports. That's why sports should not be allowed in the school. If the student want to play sports, then they should join the other club which is outside the school.
It's not like that. According to me, it cannot be happen. And I think the sports help us to reduce the depression and stress. So it is good for the children.
But somewhere or the other, the in the schools there are many students who are different thinking, and that is why some students are not fun the sports, and sometimes they are forced to join the participate the sports. So that is why their distraction get distracted by the sports.
First, let me tell you one thing: the children who are not interested in the studying, and they can suppose they want to be popular in the world, and they can popular by the help of sports playing in, and it is most important for every student, because they are not interested in study and they can interested in the games. Suppose I have seen that the many students who are little and they are interested so much in the sports, they can increase their capacity and the activities by the sports, not by the studies in the schools.
It's not important that every student available in the class like to play the sports, but it is important that every student available in the class also like to study. That's why I think studies should be over than the sports.
It's not like that. According to me, the sports is also a subject, and they can give us respect and popularity. So it is good for the children, and they helps to improve our fitness also.
According to me, during the sports, and if we include the sports in the schools, though, so this is not affordable for the some people, because of this is not affordable price, and expect this they can give us more facilities instead of the sports.
I think in private schools and in government schools also, government pay attention in the sports, because of the many games are available which are national. So I think the all things are available which is used in sports to play.
For the sports, every school has need a teacher and equipments and other steps which is important for the sports. And for the study, the school only needs teacher, which every school has in this time. That's why sports should not be available in the school, and children should focus on the study very well.
First, let me tell you one thing. You know about there are a lot of countries are popular by the sports because they are also developing by the sports because some students are not interested in the study and they are not as smart as the people is and if you are interested in the sports and you can play it and the like China's and the America's progress by the sports and they allow the sport in the schools and study also increase study also progress in the schools but the sports is more comparison than the study.
It's not important that the student who likes to join the sport can do big in his life in the sport area. But if a student is studying very well and continuous in the school, then it is sure that he will do big in his life in the study area.
You cannot say that. If you are doing any work with focus and concentration, then you will get success of this work. So if you will play nicely, then you can get the success from the field in games and sports.
In my way, the teenagers have no knowledge about the sports, so that's why the sports can be hazardous for them because instead of the injuries and they have to long lasting problems in about the health cares. So that's why sometimes they get injured because of playing the sports.
You are right here, but according to me, if you are injured, then I think your bone will be strong if you play the sports. So it is not very bad, and this the sports is the best subject.
If a student is searching his future in the sport area, then he should require money, talent, and many more. But if a student is very knowledgeable and very intelligent in the school and is studying continuous, then it is sure that he will get his goal very soon in the study region.
If they want to get success, then I think they also pay the money in education. So it's not like that they only pay the large amount of money in the sports.
Education is the thing that everyone can easily possess if he is knowledgeable and intelligent. But for the sport, everyone require money and talent and many more. That's why sport should not be allowed in the school. If sport is allowed, then students will focus on it and try to make their future in the sport region. But in the absence of money, they are unable to do it. It can cause their death also because of the depression that they could not do big in the future in the sport region.
First, let me tell you one thing. The children is interested from their childhood, and they are interested from their childhood for the sports, not for the education. More comparison than the sports. And according to me, the students should study. But I am not saying that only playing sports. Sports make your thinking capacity, grow your thinking capacity, and if your thinking capacity grow and you can study good and you can be smart in the education in the education case, and if you play the games and your mind will keep your mind every time fresh, and you can solve any question and solve any problem in 2 and 3 minutes. But this is the very you can grow your thinking capacity by the sports, not by the study more comparison than the sports.
You may be right here.